Disclaimer, this is a work of fiction. Please don't be an idiot and play these stones in the air. Doing so will get you banned, or get in prison for 5 years for causing massive panic and confusion. Anyways, grab a slice of pizza and enjoy. A 911 telephone outage emergency has been issued for Gastonia until further notice. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department, approximately around 2 hours ago. Numerous reports have came in from witnesses of a young girl saying Brainrot chants, and people who have heard it either got infected, or just completely disappears out of nowhere. If you hear Brainrot chants anywhere near your area, call the Gastonia Police Department at 704-866-6702. This message will repeat in approximately the next hour.
A civil emergency message has been issued for all of Gastonia until further notice. The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gastonia Police Department. The description of the female, her name, birth year, and where she's from. She's a white female, approximately 6 years old, was wearing a pink shirt, with white shorts, and black shoes. Her birth year is approximately 2020. Her name is Karen from the 2020 channel Avocado Plays. If you see her, or hear Brainrot chants, cover your ear, or run out of your house and call 911. This message will repeat in about 24 hours.
The National Weather Service in North Carolina has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Gastonia, North Carolina, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:15 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm moving to Miller Street, moving 45 miles to Clay Street, moving approximately at 75 miles per hour. Hail size, golf ball. Source, radar indicated. Impact, if you get struck by lightning, you'll likely become a brain mixed with human. A thunderstorm can strike within 20 miles away from a severe thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following areas: in North Carolina, Gastonia, The National Weather Service in North Carolina has issued a tornado warning for Gastonia until 12:05 a.m. At 11:16 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated the same thunderstorm from earlier capable of producing a tornado. This storm was moving east Clay Street, heading to North Floyd Lane, moving east at 112 miles per hour. Hail size, ping pong, source, radar indicated rotation, impact. Standing in the tornado for more than 2 minutes will turn you into the same thing mentioned in the previous weather alert. Gusting winds can speed up from 85 to 90 miles per hour. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:05 a.m. for the following areas. In North Carolina, Gastonia. The National Weather Service in North Carolina has issued a high wind warning for Gastonia until 9:16 a.m. At 8:36 a.m., winds were extremely gusting up from 125 to 130 miles per hour. Impact. Karen will throw tree limbs at you if sighted. Remember, a high wind warning has been issued until 9:16 a.m. for the following areas. In North Carolina, Gastonia. This is a level 5 evacuation notice for residents within 100-mile radius of Gastonia until further notice. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. Karen from Avocado Place has the ability to spawn brainrots, or make them crash into any window. If you hear any window shatter, do not attempt to investigate as you will likely be infected or disappear. We have 4 days until the big battle happens. Stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation. All residents of Gastonia, grab your weapons if you want to join the battle. If you don't, just seek shelter now. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. We have approximately about 24 hours until the big battle between the Super Mario Brothers, Cameron, Olivia, Fox McCloud, the Young Bombers, Paulina, Sarah, who was let out of prison early because of a condition, George, Vava, Sunny, Team Sonic, and Karen will start. Be prepared in about 24 hours. All residents, get outside and prepare for the biggest battle of your life. There's no other option except for seeking shelter. If you already loaded your weapons, go outside and prepare to fight with the rest of the others. This is Tom from the EAS headquarters signing off. Let's hope our town can survive. All clear. Repeating, all clear. Karen has been defeated and will be grounded for 3 weeks. The only damages that have been costing Gastonia so far is windows from everywhere across Gastonia. Cameron, the Young Bombers, Olivia, Fox McCloud, the Super Mario Brothers, Paulina, Vava, George, Sunny, Sarah, citizens of Gastonia, and Team Sonic successively won. Thanks for your cooperation, residents of Gastonia. This is Tom signing off. Thank you for watching this video. On EAS Tools you can make your own EAS alerts by using Select Voice and Text-to-Speech Announcement. You can also download the audio file and add them to your EAS scenario. Thanks for watching.